If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up traders, this is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NVIDIA Corporation with the ticker symbol NVDA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. The last time I looked at NVIDIA was back on April 18th, and I had a $190 price target, and we have met that and exceeded it. So let's take a look at this downtrend that NVIDIA is currently inside of, and pretty much the entire market. So we're still making lower lows, lower highs. Looks like we're inside of this downtrend channel, and we need to look for lower price targets. You can see that this 210 level was a nice strong support. Prices bounced from it numerous times, but how many times is it going to bounce and hold? Eventually something is going to give, and it looks like eventually the support gave up, and then we started trending lower. So we reached that 190 target that I had, and that's when we started consolidating. We could have went up higher, but the market is just so bearish that we just started selling off more. So I do have a longer term measure move in play, and we have almost reached it. So you can see that this was the entire first leg down. If I drag it over where we are in the formation of the second leg, the target that I have for NVIDIA and what it looks like it's trying to reach is right around that 148, 149 level. So we're almost there. Maybe that's when we receive some type of relief, because we are getting oversold, and we are in this very aggressive downturn channel, which eventually we'll get a break outside of. So maybe this will be a good opportunity or a good time for the market to have some type of bounce upwards. Possibly back up to that 186 level before probably continuing lower. There's another target that I have in mind. If we just blow past the 148, and that's around the 117 level, you can see that it was also strong support in the past. So these are my two price targets that I have for NVIDIA. The first one right at the 148, 149, and the next one's right around the 117, 119 level. So gotta look for lower price targets because we are trending down. I don't see any bullish signs as right now or signs of weakness. We still continue to sell off aggressively, so this thing could be oversold for a while. We just have to wait and see. Just gotta follow the price action, and I've got to look for lower price targets. So first one's at the 148, next one's at the 117, and I'll give you guys an update if anything else changes. But even if we do see a relief rally, maybe all the way back up to the 210 level, that's still not a reason to be completely bullish, because we can just get rejected from that prior support, which can turn to resistance and then start selling off more. So this could be a while before we start seeing some bullish signs in the market. So that's all I have for NVIDIA on the daily chart. Let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for NVIDIA, and we did have this uptrend in play, and we just had the first break of this uptrend pattern. So there is a chance to go back up to the all-time highs. There's a high probability for that occurring after this correction is over, but it's not always guaranteed. So you just got to follow the price action. So we don't have to go back up to this highs for a very long time. So I'm looking for that 148, 149 target to be met. We're almost there. That would complete the two legs down, which could mark the end of the correction. We'll have to wait and see. I'll be surprised if that does mark the end of the correction, because the market definitely looks like it wants to go lower. But again, you can't argue with the price action. If that's the bottom, that's the bottom, and maybe we could start seeing some uptrend formations. As right now, it's too early to call. I'm looking for that target to be hit, and then we'll see how price action reacts around that level. If we just break it, the next level that price action is trying to reach is right around that 117, 118 level. So that's everything I have for NVIDIA on the daily and weekly charts. Looks like the correction has more downside, but we should start seeing some type of relief rally, at least in the short term. So that's all I have for NVIDIA. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.